Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the arrival of His Royal Highness Sultan Nazrin Muizzuddin Shah Ibni Almarhum Sultan Azan Muhibbuddin Shah Al-Maghfurullah, Sultan of Perak Darul Rizwan and patron of WWF Malaysia, and Her Royal Highness Tuanku Zara Salim, Raja Permaisuri of Perak Darul Rizwan, accompanied by distinguished guests. Alright, 5km, are you all ready? 5km, make some noise! Come on 5km, it's not loud enough. Kita bagi the loudest roar for both of our tuanku dekat sini. 5km, make some roar! Yes. Okay, kalau dah ready, kita punya laluan pun sudah pun ready. Security pun sudah ready. Okay, kita akan buat sekali lagi countdown bersama dengan tuanku berdua untuk kategori 5km pula selepas ini. Saya nak semua sekali kira bersama dengan saya 10 sampai 1 macam tadi, boleh? Alright, dalam kiraan 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, 5km lari dengan selamat. WWF Malaysia to humbly invite their Royal Highnesses to graciously proceed with the VIP walk, accompanied by the royal entourage and distinguished guests as they enjoy the scenic surroundings of Putrajaya Wetlands Park. Alright, everyone, make some noise for your Royal Highnesses. May I respectfully invite your Royal Highnesses, together with our chairman, distinguished guests and official representatives, to proceed to the designated area for the booth visit.